Right, so it's a beautiful morning at the top of Shell Beach at Alderney Point, and going to see if we can catch a few bass. Tide's coming up, and yeah, let's see if we can get a few. Oh yeah, I'm in. Took me by surprise, that. Well, it's got to be a bass, surely. I don't think it's anything to write home about. Hey! There we go. What a beauty.
Is that floating or sinking?
It's a sinking one. Yeah.
That's the one I lost.
You help yourself to mine, mate. What a beauty. Happy with that? Ah, lovely. Lovely bass.
Beautiful fish, mate. It's beautiful.
Yeah, he's not. I'm not going to bother taking him. He's going back. Probably big enough, but lip hooked. In fact, let's. I got some scales and my measure. Let's have a look how big it is. There's it. There we go. He's not very big. Let's take that out. Alright. Ah, not too bad. It's 48. Pretty good. Happy with that? Alright. Give you a quick weigh and let you go. It's £2.11, let's say. It's alright. Right. Let's quickly get you back in. Okay, buddy. Let's get you back. And away he goes. And I got wet boots again. All right. Is that a fish? Yay! Nicely done, mate. Is that on the surface lure? What a beauty. No, it won't be. It's going to be a bass. Yeah, it's really... There it comes. Bring it in with the wave. There you go, mate. What a beauty. No, little bass. Yeah.
Well,
what a beauty.
So, that's my first
That's
bass
awesome.
on the shore, mate.
That's on the surface lure as well. It's pretty cool.
They're about.
They are about. What a beautiful morning for it as well, though.
Oh, mate. Oh, mate, that's me. I can get on the next boat over.
Lip hooked as well, so
I thought it'd be foul hook, but no.
perfect, mate. Right, come on, another one. I got some pliers if you find it difficult.
Well, I don't want to do him any more damage.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you got it. Good work, mate. To find his way. There he goes. And he's off. Hey, happy days, eh? Right, so it's low water. It's actually much windier than we were expecting it to be. So there is, hopefully I'll keep the wind noise off you. I'll see if I can keep the wind on my back. But yeah, just come down at low water. There's not an awful lot of places you can fish at low water around here, because there's not much depth. We're going to try and fish in amongst the boulders here in the shallows. I'll probably use either a surface lure or a shallow diver, and hopefully not lose any lures. But well, we'll just give it a go. There's still another hour to go down yet with the tide, so yeah, it'll be interesting to see if there's any fish about. I'm not sure you can see this, there's all bootlace weed everywhere. It's a nightmare for walking along. I need to get to a place where I can fish from, and it's not exactly easy terrain. Like, this is not easy. So like you can see, actually lots of bootlace in the water here. It's actually quite murky, it might be alright. I've got a very small window to fish from here, and the wind's against me, so I don't know how long I'm going to stay here, but I'm starting off with an IMA Komomo, because it's a really shallow diver, and I'm not really sure where the reefs are and everything here, so give it a try. Too much. Right. It's an absolute nightmare to get here. Have a look at this. All of that is just slippery. It's like going on ice. Right. Let's see if I can get you in a position where I don't get too much wind noise. Oh. But I've got decent fish on here, I think. Now, how God knows how I'm going to land it. Oh, it's a decent one. It's a decent bass, I think. Oh, well, maybe it's not that big. It's all right though. Yeah, I thought it was a decent bass. Well, actually, it's not bad at all. I cannot grumble at that. I don't know if you got to see that much, but I couldn't get out there, so I used one of these Savage Gear Surf Seekers, and I was just having to. What a beauty! I'm well chuffed for that. Right, I thought it was. I don't know why, but it was fighting so hard. Eh? I don't know. Hang on. And let's just see how big he is first. There you go. Right, so from there to there, yeah, it's 40. So you can see, it's 48. So, what a lovely fish. Right, see if I can give you a bit of a show. Right, I've hidden the because it's so windy. I don't know how much wind noise you're getting there, but I just wanted to show you because it's a beautiful fish, and I honestly thought it was a massive bass, and but it's, you know, still a decent fish. So but there's going to be more out there. But yeah, no, I used the Surf Seeker because I couldn't get past that wind. I just risked losing it in the boulders in front of me, but it was certainly worthwhile. So happy days. Those bass can put up such a fight. All right, Mr. Bass, see if I can get you in safe and sound. Oh. There he goes. And he's gone. Right, let's get back out there. Kev's in. Looks like a little schoolie. Still a bass though. Probably can't see from here, but there's a seal with its head up, just where Kev is there, and just to the left. He's just gone. Let's see where he comes up. There he is. There he is. Look, just right in front of Kev, just to the left. He's cool, eh? Don't catch him, Kev. He's literally, he must be about, I don't know, 20 yards from Kev, I reckon. Hey! There we go. What a beauty.